Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, today we will study the function of blood. Number first, nutritive function. What is the nutritive function? Nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, lipids, and vitamins derived from digested food and carry to different parts of the body for growth and production of energy. Respiratory function. Transport of respiratory gases is done by the blood. It carries oxygen from alveoli of lungs to different tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to alveoli. Excretory function. Waste products formed in the tissues during various metabolic activities are carried by blood to the kidney, skin, liver to be excreted. Transport of hormones and enzymes. Hormones which are secreted by ductless endocrine glands are released directly into the blood. The blood transports these hormones to their target organs, tissues. Blood also transports enzymes. Regulation of water balance. Water content of the blood is freely interchangeable with interstitial fluid. This helps in the regulation of water content of the body. Regulation of acid-base balance. Plasma proteins and hemoglobin act as buffers and help in the regulation of acid-base balance. Regulation of body temperature. Because of the high specific heat of blood, it is responsible for maintaining the thermoregulatory mechanism in the body, that is the balance between heat loss and heat gain in